Earn free PayPal money. Earn free Payeer money. Earn free Bitcoin. Earn free lots of money with this app. Today I'm going to show you an update on Birdcoin. Such an awesome app. It's passive app. Oh, so nice. Okay, so click the link below and you'll get 300 free coins and 1 free bird. With the free coins you can go in and buy 2 more free birds, because for 24 hours you get to buy the green bird for 120 silvers. So you'd go and buy birds, and then after that you just wait a while and go into the egg warehouse. Well, first, right now I just want to show you that I have 6 birds and this one makes 5 eggs per hour. So that's 5 times 6 is 30 eggs per hour. 30 times 24 hours is 720 eggs in 24 hours. So right now I have 627 eggs. It's been less than 24 hours. I'll show you how. Collect all. Okay, please note that I have 82.82 replenish account and 11.92 withdraw funds. Now we're going to go into the egg selling. Okay, so 628 eggs. Let's sell all and see how much we get. Now I have 87.21 replenish account and 13.81 withdraw funds. Puts 30% in for the replenish account so you can buy more eggs. Buy more birds. Now we're going to go to daily bonus. You get free coins after 24 hours. So, see, it's been only like 19 hours since I last did it. And then 10 to 100 free silver coins. Click on the link below and remember, you'll get 300 free silver coins and 1 free bird. And we can make money together. Very passive income. You don't even need to really do anything. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, bell notification. Have a great day.